Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech2 Media. Today I am very excited to show you 5 WhatsApp secret tricks. Before we start this video, please do subscribe and like our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest videos. Let's start. The first trick is very interesting, it's about the storage space. Now I am showing you how to see which WhatsApp chat is consuming more space. Let's open the WhatsApp icon. You can see the 3 dots on the top right corner. Click on the dots. You can select the settings. You can see there is an account, chats, notification, data and storage usage. Click on data and storage usage. It will take some time for the storage usage to be calculated. We all run out of storage space in our device. While we can see which app is using more data and space. In this trick I am going to show you how to see which WhatsApp chat is using more space. As you see in the display, one after the other the chats have been displayed. It will show you according to the size with whom we have chatted more. Once the storage usage history is displayed, you can take a call whether you wanted to keep the chat or you wanted to clear the chat so that you can clear the storage space in your mobile. Second trick is voice message, which everyone are familiar with. Today I am showing a hidden feature how to check voice message before sending it to the recipient. Let's go for it. Press the record button and drag towards upwards so it gets locked. So that you can record your conversation without holding the record button. Once the voice recording is completed, before sending it to the recipient, come back to your WhatsApp home page and go back to the same recipient where you were supposed to send your voice message. You can see an unsent voice message in that particular recipient. You can hear the message before sending it to the person. If you find there is some error in the message, you can also delete the message before sending it to the recipient. The third trick is how to specify the important conversation. In our busy schedule, it is very difficult to find the important messages. So once you see the message and if you feel it is very important, you can highlight the message so that you need to discuss with that particular person later on. Go back to the WhatsApp home page. Press on the particular contact you wanted to discuss later. You can find mark as unread. So the green dot will appear next to the contact. The green dot reminds you that there is an important conversation to be discussed. Fourth trick is that how to send a message without typing a single word in your WhatsApp. You need to go to a Google Assistant for this. Click on the mic in the Google Assistant and speak what you want to send a message to a particular person. Please send message to Malu through WhatsApp.
Chat with Malu, no problem. What's the message?
Where are you now?
I got, where are you now? Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Sending message.
Now you can go back to the WhatsApp homepage and see the particular message being sent to the recipient. Let's start the fifth trick. As you know, many people turn off their red receipt to hide their blue tick mark. I am going to show you how to identify if the person has read your message or not. This is a simple trick. To find out if the recipient is reading our messages or not, we are going to send a voice message to them. The red receipt and the blue tick mark is not applicable for the voice message. As soon as you send a voice message to the person, you can find two grey tick marks. Once the person hears your record, the grey tick marks changes to the blue tick mark. This is a trick to find if the person is reading your messages or not. We hope these tricks are useful in your daily life. Thanks for watching our video. Please do like and subscribe our channel Tech2 Media.